Wondering how to build a business? Then listen carefully now. Launching an online business requires strategic planning and execution. This presentation will cover essential strategies to ensure your success in the digital marketplace. Understanding your audience, market, and tools is crucial for establishing a strong foundation. To stand out, you must identify a specific niche that aligns with your passions and market demand. Conduct thorough research to understand customer needs and preferences. This will help you tailor your offerings effectively. A strong brand creates trust and recognition. Focus on developing a unique brand identity, including a memorable logo, consistent messaging, and a clear value proposition. This will differentiate you from competitors and attract loyal customers. Utilize a mix of digital marketing strategies to reach your target audience. This includes SEO, social media, and email marketing. Tailor your approach based on analytics to optimize your campaigns for better engagement and conversion. Incorporate the right technology to streamline operations and enhance customer experience. Use tools for e-commerce, customer relationship management, and analytics. Embracing technology will allow you to scale your business effectively. Launching a successful online business requires a strategic approach and continuous adaptation. By focusing on your niche, building a strong brand, and leveraging technology, you can achieve long-term success. Start implementing these strategies today. So, if you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and share it with others who might benefit from these ideas. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.